When it comes to choosing the right AI tool for customer support, two names that come up often are ChatGPT and Copy.ai. But which one is better for delivering top-tier service? Let's dive in and see which tool stands out for customer support tasks and where they both fall short. First, let's talk about ChatGPT. It's incredibly popular, known for generating human-like text with remarkable accuracy. For customer support, ChatGPT excels in its ability to answer questions, offer guidance, and simulate a conversational tone. It's great for handling a range of inquiries, from basic FAQ responses to more detailed troubleshooting. However, one downside to ChatGPT is that while it's highly versatile, it can sometimes be too generic or miss nuances, which means it requires constant fine-tuning and monitoring to ensure it aligns with your brand's voice and the customer's expectations. Next thing, Copy.ai, on the other hand, focuses more on assisting with content creation, but it also has tools that can be adapted for customer support. It generates clear, concise responses and even has templates that can be used for handling customer inquiries. It's faster than ChatGPT when it comes to producing responses based on predefined templates, which could be beneficial for routine support tasks. But much like ChatGPT, it can still struggle with personalization. It doesn't always have the same conversational feel that customers expect, and it lacks the level of flexibility ChatGPT offers when the conversation requires deeper, more specific responses. The third thing to note is scalability. ChatGPT, being an OpenAI-powered tool, can handle high volumes of conversations, making it a solid choice for businesses with large customer support needs. Copy.ai, while fast, doesn't offer the same robust infrastructure for managing thousands of conversations simultaneously. It's built more for teams with less heavy demands, so it might not scale well for larger operations without additional integrations. Next, let's address integrations. ChatGPT integrates well with a variety of systems, allowing for customization, which makes it suitable for different industries, whether you're in tech, retail, or finance. Copy.ai has integrations as well, but it's more geared toward marketing tools than customer service platforms. If you're looking for something with a broader application, ChatGPT's flexibility gives it a clear edge here. The fifth thing is about cost effectiveness. Copy.ai has a lower starting price point and could be more affordable for smaller businesses or startups. However, once you start scaling up or need more advanced features, the price difference becomes negligible. ChatGPT is more expensive, but it comes with higher customization options and a wider range of use cases, which might justify the price if you need something more robust for customer support. Now, while both tools are strong in their own right, there's an area where both ChatGPT and Copy.ai fall short. They're limited in terms of handling very specific or sensitive queries, like legal questions or highly technical problems. Both tools rely on the quality of input data, so if your support needs are very specialized, you might need additional resources or human intervention. After trying both ChatGPT and Copy.ai for customer support, I can say they are both good, but they don't quite meet the mark for businesses that need a fully reliable, customizable, and scalable solution. If you're looking for a better alternative, and trust me, there is one that has everything these tools offer and more, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, only available to viewers like you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your customer support with a tool that's designed to scale and adapt to your needs.